quite an adventure. Oh God, yeah, that is crazy ice. Oh, yeah. This is literally around my neighborhood in my backyard. And this already quite an adventure. Oh God, yeah, that is crazy ice. Yeah. Literal crazy ice. Oh, wasn't too bad. You know what? Way too much ice in this trail. I better take the other one. Ugh. I did it a few times and I got overconfident. When you're riding in the winter in ice like this, never a good idea to be overconfident. That was just a little bang. Wasn't too bad. At least I was able to pat myself underneath all my clothing. Yeah, I'm not going here. This is literally like a frozen trail full of frozen water ice.